What's happening, YouTube? This is the unboxing of the EQX7 from DS18 7-band stereo equalizer slash crossover. So, came a little bit earlier than expected. Got the owner's manual here. It's well packaged. Let's see. Got our connections here. Everything to get it going. It's like a fusible link here. Even has the mounting screws along with the wiring. Both the mounting tabs. And let's get to it. Let's see here. Let's get this box out the way. So, here we go. Looks like we got a well-made, very sturdy unit here. On the top, light switch, low press, frequency 60, 120 hertz, sub output, aux in, aux gain, high input auto power, main and rear and front outputs, and then your power connection here. And there we go. We got sub level, volume, aux, fader, 50, 125, 320, 750, 2.2K, 6K, 16K adjustment. Okay, so this unit will light up if you want with the switch. Let's see. And on the rear, you do have the gold plated terminals and then your connections there. So I plan to mount this in a little slot that I have that I can make available. Kind of make it real neat where it'll just fit in. Of course, I'll have to do a little trimming to get it in there, but not bad. So let's see here. Some of these features. Like I said, it's a 7-band. Let's see. The aux input can be used with MP3 player, DVD player, whatever it is you want to connect. And of course, you got your fader and all that. Auto turn on. And so I'm not going to go through all of this. That's just basic stuff. But, I was reading the reviews of other units, and, a lot of people want this and that, extra little features on there, but myself, I just need it to work. I do not even necessarily need the lights, but nice little feature. We'll see how that goes. And what made me get this was that the radio has the app where you can use the equalizer, but to really fine tune it, it's just easier and better, and plus you're going to bring your voltage up properly to a better level, and and better sound imaging altogether. So just making this quick. This is the DS18 EQ7, and that's a wrap for this unboxing because the main thing is getting it in there. Holla at y'all later.